Assalamu alaikum students. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. First, I congratulate you to promote into grade 3. And my name is Yasin Fatma and I'm your teacher of social studies. Okay, let's start with the social studies work. Open your books and copies. And this is your book 3 of social studies, as you all know that. And we have a different publication. As a teacher, I just want to give you the intro of social studies. This is your intro class. Then we will proceed to the chapter work and the written work and the reading etc. in the online classes. This is your intro of SST. Okay. First of all, I would like to know you what is SST. What is SST meanings, or what is SST stands for? As you all know that social studies is the study of people in relation to each other and to the world. It is an issue focused and inquiry based interdisciplinary subject that draws upon history, geography, ecology, economics, philosophy, political science and other social science tests. As you all on as you all know that in social studies we have discussed about the history and the geography of Pakistan, or in which country you belonged. This is the history and geography of the different countries. Basically, in social studies we are discussing about the history and geography of the country, from in which country you belonged. Okay, for example, this me and you are belong to the Pakistan. Okay, so we are discussing the history and geography of the Pakistan, the ecology, economics, the culture of Pakistan, the science discipline, our moral and spiritual values, economical values. This is all included in social studies. Okay, student, I have done with the introduction of what is social studies. Now I begin to the contents and learning outcomes which you have in this grade 3. The first unit we have to cover is the culture of Pakistan. You know what is culture, and you know how to deal with the culture or to stand with the culture. Okay, so you have to understand the first unit of SST grade 3 is the culture of Pakistan. In this intro class, we have to discuss the provinces of Pakistan and the culture of Pakistan. As you all know that in which country do we live? We live in Pakistan. Pakistan is our country and we love our country, and it has given us our identity. Pakistan has a culture which is different from the other culture of other countries. As you all know that first we have to define what is culture. It is important that we know our culture because it is our identity, as who we are and from we are and how we live. Okay, culture means many things. It can be your language, religion, your food, your clothing and your festival. It is important that we have to know the culture of the meaning of the culture, because it shows us who we are and what is important to us to live in this society. Okay, as you see this in this screenshot, as you see this, culture is the belief, tradition, way of thinking, music, literature, your dress, your food and your language of the country from which country you belong. Okay, as you all know that we have 4 provinces in Pakistan, namely the 5th province we have introduced is the Gilgit-Baltistan, but here we have only 4 provinces of Pakistan, which is Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and each and every provinces have their own culture. But Pakistani culture is very diverse and beautiful. As you all know that we have 4 provinces, so we have 4 different cultures, and behind this we have other cultures as well. Okay, Pakistani culture is enriched in tradition and represents the history of this region. Pakistani people and society is unique in its way of life, thoughts and morals. Each and every provinces have their own culture, and each and every provinces have their own thinking, their moral values, their thoughts, their spiritual values. The inhabitants of each province have diverse cultural values which make them different from the groups of the society. Each and every provinces have their own culture, have their own moral values, so they are different from each and every provinces. For example, when we talking about the Punjab, they have their own culture, they have their own language, they have their own values. Okay. Okay, as you see in these pictures, we have the Punjab province. Okay, these two people wearing their Punjab dress. This is the regional dress of Punjab. And in food, we have very famous pie. And in dance, we have Bhangra. And the traditional in the historical building of Punjab is Jahangir's tomb. Okay. Okay, now we can talk about Sindh. As you see this, these two people wearing the Sindhi regional dress, that is with ajrak and the topi, ajrak topi and the ajrak wearing in his neck. Okay, she is wearing ghagra and the bangles and the Sindhi kadhai dupatta. Okay, then we have a Sindhi biryani and Sindh. This is common, and the historical building is the Mohenjo-daro, which is in Thatta. Now, as you see this, the traditional dance of the Sindh is the Dhamal, which is as you all know that we have Sevan Sharif, we have so many others, Shah Abdul Latif Bhatai Mazar, in which we have lots of people. You have to see they are doing Dhamal over there on the Qawwalis, on the folk songs, etc. We have Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. As you see the regional dress of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, he is wearing the topi and the shawl, and she is wearing the shalwar kameez with dupatta. And the famous food is the chapli kebab of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And the main gate, as you can see, this is the entrance of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, is the Khyber Pass gate through which you enter in this province. And the traditional dance of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is the Kathak dance, as you see in this picture. Okay. After Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh Balochistan, this is last but not the least, we have Balochistan. This is the regional dress of Balochistan, wearing this sahafa and waistcoat and shalwar kameez, wearing these slippers, you can say, or sandals, you can say. And the main food of the Balochistan people loves to eat is the saji, that is made of a goat or a lamb, whatever. Then the main ट्रेडिशनल बिल्डिंग कह लीजिए या जो आप मोनूमेंट कह लीजिए, दिस इज़ द ज़ियारत. एंड द मेन इज़ द डांस, एज यू सी दिस wearing shalwar kameez and the waistcoat. This is the traditional dance of Balochistan. Okay. In this we have only discussed the intro. Yeah, I am going to give you only the intro of the 4 provinces and the culture of Pakistan. In the next class we are start with the introduction and the introduction of the Okay, as you all know that this is your introductory class of SST and the unit 1 is the culture of Pakistan. In the next class we are discussing about the main cultures of Pakistan deeply and thoroughly, in which we are reading and we are going to read the chapter and standards, doing questions related to the unit and knowing the other things of the culture, that is as you all know that we have all moral values and spiritual values of cultures, different cultures as well. We have dance, food, music, folk music, dress, language, regions. We are discussing in the next class. Okay, I am signing off from you all. Okay, see you in the class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.